welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So today we are going to start creating the space, all the spaces for this ground floor. So we will do one by one. So please be with me and keep watching my videos so that you will cover all these topics and you will clear this project. So let us start now. So before I start this video, I'd like to request you guys, if you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification of my video. So let us start now. As you can see, this is the ground floor plan and this is first floor plan. Okay, and this is the section plan, section views. Okay, so let me open this Hvac software. This I have created already doors, windows, and so many things. So let me open this. Okay, so today we are going to create the spaces. So go to this space and double click on new space. Okay, then here there are so many tabs. You can see this is the first tab is general tabs. Second tab is internals and third is wall, windows, doors, and fourth one is roof and skylights. Fifth one is infiltration and sixth one is floors, and then last is partition. So we have to continue all these tabs. Okay, so first go to the general tabs. Okay, and then go to this layout. Okay, so we will start from here. Okay, we will start from technical manager rooms. Okay, so technical manager, this is one of the space. So what you will do here, go to this Hvac software and space properties. You have to enter the space name, that is technical manager. Okay, technical manager. Floor area for this space is, you have to look into this drawing and check the floor area. So how to check the floor area? You can check with this you can check in this AutoCAD. Just enter the DALI command, dimension linear. So you can check the width here, which is 4.3, and length is from here to here 5.8. So simply calculate the area. 4.3 into 5.8, which is 24.9 square meter. So 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. So in the software it is asking in a square feet. You go to this software, so this floor area is asking in a square feet because this is in feet and inches, which is in English system. So I'm getting here 268 square feet. So simply enter here 268. And the ceiling height is, you can check for this drawing. In this drawing you can check the height of the ceiling, which is from here to here, which is 4 meter. Okay, so simply go to your software and 4 meters, so convert into feet. So 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So 13 feet. Okay, so here the slab height is 13 feet, and building weight is medium weight, so always keep it in medium here, which is 75. Okay, the outdoor ventilation requirement, which is office, so simply select this. Okay, and go to this office space. Okay, so if you select this office space, there are two parameters here, which is called outdoor air requirement 1, which is CFM per person, and Q outdoor air requirement 2, which is CFM per square feet. Okay, so 5 CFM per person and 0.06 CFM per square feet, which is taken from ASHRAE handbook, ASHRAE standard 62.1 2016, which is ventilation requirement, ventilation standard. Okay, now you have to go to this internal. So internal is nothing but this wattage is calculated from the ASHRAE handbook, which is, let me open this ASHRAE handbook. Okay, so otherwise there is a specification, client specification, client is giving sometime. So what you will do, you have to check the spec, otherwise you have to go to this ASHRAE handbook. Okay, so in the, let me go to this client specification here. Let me open one of a spec, which is HPC design criteria, and I will show you here. This is for the Emirates Global Aluminium. So what they are following this standard, I will show you. Okay, here the internal heat loads, which is lighting loads. Okay, so for the lighting loads, as per the SRA handbook, fundamental latest edition, the heat dissipation from the occupant shall be recommended for the male as expected level of activity and indoor design condition. If the furniture layouts drawings are made available, the number of occupants shall be taken from the drawing as per the number of workstations, chairs, or imply plus 50% provision for the visitors in conference room, meeting room. The occupancy shall be determined by the number of chairs. Okay, if the furniture layout drawings are not available, the occupancy of for open plan office shall be taken as one person per 6 square meter or office space. For cabin, one employee and one visitor shall be allowed per cabin. Okay. Heat load from the lighting. Follow the ASHRAE standard 62.1 2004 for ventilation rates and ASHRAE standard 90.1 2004 for the lighting power density. Okay. However, the following value may be used for the preliminary calculation until detailed lighting calculation are made. Okay, so here given the for the office space 20 watt per square meter, so you can enter here. So this is in a square feet. So what you will do, click OK and go to this view properties, view tabs, and change the unit here in the SI matrix. Click OK, then go to space again, open this space, then go to the internal, then you can see here watt per square meter. So you can simply enter 20 watt per square meter. Okay, and then select the schedule here, which is lighting schedule, and then for the task lighting in this space there is no task lighting, so leave as it is, and equipment wattage is also 20 watt per square meter, and select the equipment schedule. Okay, and number of people is as shared here. You can see here, if the furniture layout drawings are not available, then the occupancy for open plan office shall be taken as 6 square meter per office per person. Okay, for the office cabin, imply one employee and one visitor shall be allowed, but we have the furniture layout, so we have to open this furniture layout. Go to this. We will open this furniture layout. Okay, so let me open this drawing, furniture layouts. Okay, so let us check the number of chairs in this furniture layout, which is here, technical manager. Okay, so in the technical manager you can see here there are two person and one is the manager chair. Okay, and one is here, so total 6 person you can take in this room. Okay, 6 chair are there, so you can check, you can consider the 6 people. The number of people is 6. Okay, and the office work, they are doing the office work. Okay, then you have to select the here people schedule. Okay, then miscellaneous load is nothing but this is the equipment which is oven, fridge, etc. So in this technical manager nothing is there. So what you will do, you leave this area, go to the wall, windows and door. So you have to select the exposure here. Okay, so in the drawing you can go to this drawing and you can see here, this is the exposure, this is north, so this is south, and north, south, east and west. Okay, so this is the north, this is the north and this is the south. So in this case, this is your south and this is north, so the exposure is north and west. So you have to select here two exposure, which is north, sorry, south and west. Second one is west. Okay, so wall gross area for the south wall. So what you will do, you have to check this, the width of the wall is 4.3 and height of the wall is 4 meter. So here you can calculate the area, gross area, 4.3 by 4, which is 17.2 square meter. So just multiply into 10.76, so you will get 185 square feet. Okay, so here is 185 square feet. Windows, so there is one Windows which is here, let me check, which is GL8. So select the Windows here, Windows 1 GL8. Let me select GL8, which is not available here. So GL8 is not available, so again we have to go to this Windows schedule and we have to create this. Go to these doors and windows, then you can create the Windows schedule which is GL8. So here GL8 is not available as well. So what I will do, I will close this. Okay, and I will check the dimension here, which is 2.8, and the height you can check in this drawing, which is called elevation drawing. Okay, this one, this drawing. Okay, so this is the elevation. So we have to look for this which elevation A here, this one. Okay, so this is your window height. So let me check the height for the window here, which is from here to here, 1.1. Okay, and 1.1, and width is from here to here, 2.8. 1.1 and 2.8, here is also 2.8. So go to this Hvac software. Okay, and then go to this window and you can create another new window here, which is ZL8. The height is 1.8, 1.1, and the width is 2.8 meter. Okay, simply click OK, and then you can select this window 8. Okay, so that is over. Now go to this west elevation. So for the west elevation you can check here, which is, let's check the simple DLI from here to here, which is 6.3. So 6.3 is the width and height is 4 meter. So 25 square meter into 10.76, which is 271 square meter. So 271 square meter, and window is one window windows. So go for this drawing and select the windows which is GL4. You can select the another windows here, which is GL4 is already selected. and that's over. Then go to this roof and skylight, and you can select the exposure for the roof, which is H. H is nothing but the horizontal, and the square meter is same as floor area, 24.9. Then infiltration when fan is off, so leave this one and go to this floor. So your floor is, there are four condition here, which is first one is floor above condition space, floor above unconditioned space, slab floor on grade, and slab floor below grade. So in our case, our floor is on the grade, which is on the ground floor. So slab floor on grade. The floor area is 24.9 and the U value is 0.58, 0.6568. And then go to this partition. So partition is nothing but the wall which is between condition and unconditioned space. So in our cases here, all the spaces are conditioned, so there is no wall here, no partition wall. So leave as it is and click OK. So one space is created. So I hope you guys learn how to create the space here. So in the next tutorials we will continue with the creating the space. So it will take time, we have to create all these spaces. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys learn how to create the space, and please be watching my videos, and please be with me, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.